So now we'll be taking a Post Flush Pseudomonas sample. We'll be using the same bottle as the previous Pseudomonas samples that we took. Please make sure that the description in the bottle matches the outlet you're in. Also, if it's a Post Flush sample, it will say here Post Flush, so you will know which bottle to use for each. If you're taking a Post Flush sample, it means you've already taken a pre-flush. So you've done all the inspection on the outlet. You know that the outlet has been isolated for 2 hours. So all you need to do is take the disinfectant, disinfect the outside and the inside of the tap, and then you just need to wait for 2 minutes for it to dry out and has its effect. Once the 2 minutes have passed out, you are going to open the tap, just gently, make sure you don't splash, make sure you don't create any aerosols. And once you're comfortable with the flow, let it run for 2 minutes. After those 2 minutes have passed, are you ready to take the sample? Open the bottle, keep the lid in your hand face up, fill it up, make sure that the top of the bottle doesn't touch the tap, and before it fills up and overflows, just remove it, close the lid properly, and close the outlet. And you've taken a Post Flush Pseudomonas.